While playing a sportsman either wins or loses. But he never gives up. He practices every day, both in good times and in bad times. He keeps fighting and keeps putting efforts. It's his never giving up attitude that makes him a great player. The same way, an investor becomes successful only when he invests consistently, waits patiently, and never gives up on his investments until his financial needs are fulfilled. To be a great player, don't give up on your mutual fund investments before time.